What are different types of solutions? After attending the class of colloids, Mani was confused. He was not able to understand the distinction between true solution, colloidal solution, and suspension. Let's help Mani understand the difference between these three types of solutions. True solution. As kids, all of us have made rasna, tang, or simply mixed sugar in water to make sharbat. Yummy! All these are examples of a true solution, which is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In a true solution, the substance dissolved in solvent has the particle size of less than 10 to the power -9 meter or 1 nanometer. Particles of true solution cannot be filtered through filter paper and are not visible to naked eye. A true solution does not scatter light, that is, it does not show Tyndall effect. And solutes do not settle down in a true solution. Let's move on and learn about colloidal solutions. Black smoke rising from a fire is a well-known example of colloidal solution. In smoke, a lot of tiny solid particles float in the air, making it difficult to look past the smoke. Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture in which particle size of substance is intermediate of true solution and suspension, that is, between 1 to 1000 nanometer. Just like true solutions, colloidal particles are small enough and cannot be seen through naked eye. They easily pass through filter paper. But colloidal particles are big enough to be blocked by parchment paper or animal membrane. Colloids scatter light, and we can see the path of light beam inside a colloidal solution. Another important property of colloids is to settle under centrifuge, means when a colloidal solution is passed in a centrifugal machine, solute gets separated from solvent. Is dissolved in water and stirred vigorously. Particles of chalk are distributed evenly in water. After some time, the particle of this solution settle under water due to influence of gravity. This solution is an example of suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which particle size of one or more components is greater than 1000 nanometer. Contrary to true solution, the particles of suspension are big enough to be seen with naked eye. Suspension may or may not show Tyndall effect, and it settles under influence of gravity. Finally, Mani understood the difference between three types of solutions.
Please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more interesting and educational videos to earn while you learn, download Extraclass app from Google Play Store and get rewarded for studying.